Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your travel budget with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Capital One website or open the Capital One mobile app. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section on the dashboard. Check your current rewards balance to see how much you have available. Next, explore the travel rewards options that Capital One offers. Look for the travel credit card options that best fit your needs. Review the benefits associated with each card, such as sign-up bonuses and earning potential. Consider applying for a card that offers bonus rewards on travel-related purchases. Once you choose a card, complete the application process. After approval, activate your card and start using it for travel expenses. Track your spending on travel to ensure you maximize your rewards. Regularly check for any promotional offers or limited-time bonuses on travel spending. When planning your next trip, compare flight and hotel options through the Capital One travel portal. Use your earned rewards for booking flights or accommodations directly. If applicable, utilize any travel credits, such as statement credits for travel purchases. Keep an eye on your rewards earnings to plan future adventures more effectively. Finally, review your budget regularly to adjust for travel goals and rewards used. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.